This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. This stunning, one-of-kind, custom-built home is situated on a gorgeous lakefront lot in the desirable community of Sterling Point. With over 5,200 square feet of living space, the versatile floor plan and oversized rooms can accommodate all your family members and guests. Extra large family room is light and bright overlooking the lake. A second oversized family room located on a private wing of the home would great in-law suite. The full basement, with private entrance and 9 feet ceilings, is over 1,900 square feet, so many possibilities for this space, including wine cellar of personal gym. A full list of custom features is available. For more information, review the details below.